Hello kids, welcome once again to English and today we will learn about I am. This is the letter I and this is the word am. Its sound is I am. Let's say the sound I am 10 times.
I am. 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 I am.
Very nice. So the sound is I am. Let's meet a new friend. Hi, I am Pam. I like jam. Meet my friends.
I am an insect.
I am a grasshopper.
I am a caterpillar.
I am a squirrel. Okay, now let's add I am to the phrases. A girl.
I am a girl.
A boy.
I am a boy.
An Indian.
I am an Indian.
Chota Bheem.
I am Chota Beam.
Baby.
I am a baby.
A doctor. I am a doctor. Practice time. Write names of 10 animals like this. I am a lion. I am a tiger. I am a monkey. I am a giraffe. I am a hippo. I am an ant. I am a gorilla. I am a wolf. I am a bear. I am a snake. Happy learning. Bye bye.